How to add subtitles to any movie's file. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So the very first method is by using the VLC media player. While you use the VLC media player, you need to download it, and if you don't have it already, install, and after installing, open the movie. Launch VLC and open the movie you want to watch on VLC. Now load the subtitle file. Go to the subtitle menu at the top of the VLC window, select the Add Subtitle File option, and now you can simply browse the location of your SRT file and select it. Now play the movie. The subtitles should now appear on your movie. The method 2 is using the Media Player Classic. Download the MPC if you don't have it, and after downloading it, you can simply open the movie. That is, launch your movie on your phone or your laptop. Now load the subtitle file. Go to the file in the menu, select Load Subtitle. Browse to your SRT file and open it. Play the movie and the subtitle should appear now. And the third option is using a video conversion tool. If you don't want subtitles to permanently embedded in the video, you can use a video conversion tool like Handbreaker as well. You can simply download it, open the movie and add the subtitle file by going to the subtitles tab and import the SRT on your browser, and you can simply watch it. So there are other options like automatically loading subtitles, where if you name the SRT file as the same as your movie file, place in the same directory, many media players will automatically load the subtitles when you play the movie. For example, if your movie file is movie MP4, your subtitle file should be named movie SRT. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.